Well, first thing I gotta do in this Collins is I gotta start pulling tubes and stuff because I gotta clean this chassis off. So right here, this is a crystal calibrator. And that's what that looks like. That's all it is just a couple tubes. Got a socket at the bottom. Comes off really easy. And I just start removing tube shields. Luckily, the locations are marked. Of course, some of these tube shields, these are fine. I don't know about that one. Let's see. Well, it's got little slots on it. Let's see if it's really locked in there. Oh. I'm going to pull the other ones for now. So, yeah. It's got a few tubes to pull out. Yeah, I could probably get around that one anyway. I'm going to go and clean the chassis up with a solution of simple green, and this has actually got white vinegar in it with a toothbrush. Really simple to do. Let's get in there and make sure I'm getting all the dirt off of there. That's all I'm going to do. And I'm going to turn another light on. There we go. So you can see what I'm doing in the dark. Okay. There we go. Of course, you're going to see some shadows, but that's all right. Let's get around this thing. I do have a towel down underneath, but I don't think it's going to hurt it none. We just keep on cleaning up what we can. And we'll get this off of there just to be safe. That one there. Let's see. All right, now I can see it. Okay. Okay, now we'll move over to the other one, and we'll start moving tubes from there. And what I'm probably going to do, I'm going to probably polish these tube shields with some 4/0 steel wool. That's probably what I'm going to do. Alright. Just keep on pulling tubes. Haphazardly. We'll just keep pulling them out. So there's none left in there, right? Well, some are really hard to get out. Like that one. And there's a tube shield covering that one. And of course, they are really hard to get out sometimes. Man, some are tight, some are loose. There we go. Alright, there's another one there. Okay. Alright. I'm going to move this guy over. Get some more light in there. I'll turn it down a little bit so it's not too bright so you can see what I'm doing. It's about as low as it goes. Alright. Now, a lot of these, you have to do this and let it soak in for a while anyway. but it'll clean it up pretty well without disturbing the printed tube numbers on them. It does have a lot of 6AL5s. It's only got one 6AQ5, but a lot of 6AL5s and a lot of 6BA6s. A mess of them in this thing, which I never really knew before. Okay. 5Y3 for the rectifier. And this is the offending cap. I'll have to pull that out. And let me see, we'll switch to another brush. Since it's, well, if I use it. Yeah, let's see how big. Yeah, so about this size should work. You can get it inside there. We'll get it in the hard spots. Yeah, it's mostly just dirt. I mean, it's caked on dirt that's been in there, and I have no idea who owned this before I did. So, no, I know I paid quite a bit for it, but hey, that's to be expected. It's a Collins. They're not cheap, not even ones that are not working. Yeah, you kind of get the idea that it's been dirty for a while. I don't think anyone ever cleaned it. You see, there's plenty of dirt there. And yeah, I'm glad those tube numbers are stenciled there. So actually, did a really nice job on them. Of course, Collins always did. Like I said, they are not cheap radios by any means. And let's see what we got there. Okay, I'm gonna have to let it sit there for a while. Like I said, it's got vinegar, and I have green stuff. It's in there. Simple green. So yeah, and that'll take care of some of it, and then I'll use steel wool in some of these cans, but I'll just clean them off temporarily here a little bit. And go back to scrubbing with the old toothbrush. And let's scrub everything down. Yeah, well, it'll look halfway decent when I'm done. I'm sure it'll be better than it was. Actually, going over this a couple of times, it's taking off even more stuff. So the white vinegar inside there is helping out quite a bit too. But so I'm just gonna let that sit there, and we'll come back later. But there you are. That's basically what I'm doing with this Collins. You know, I said the front panel is in nice shape, so I'm not going to have to do much there. Well, we should do this so you guys can see it. Yeah, it's actually it's a nice looking radio from the front. And one of the other reasons I bought it, because the front panel is in great shape. All the stenciling is perfect on it. I mean, yeah, it's got problems, but most problems can be fixed with no problem. It just takes me a while, that's all. So anyway, there you are. Part 1 of cleaning up this Collins 75A-3. And that's it for now.